quick one guys, I'm going to show you how to enable the new vertical tab in Chrome. This is similar to what's already available in other browsers like Zen or Brave. To enable this, we're going to go right here to Chrome://flags. Tap enter. Now search for vertical tabs. There we have it. Go to the right side and change it to enabled. Now you're going to get an option to relaunch. Click on that, close your Chrome, reopen it, go to the top right, click on this three dot, go down here to more tools. You see this option, show tabs vertically. Click on that. Now you can see this vertical tab on the left side here. And to open a new tab, all you have to do is to click on this plus icon. If you want to narrow this down a bit, click on this icon on the top left. Now the tab is more compact and it's looking better. If you want to split the screen, you can right click on any of the tabs, then choose add tab to new split view. Now you can see that this page has been split into two sections. If you want the split view icon to remain up here for easy access, you can choose this option, pin split view. Click on that. Now this is going to remain up here so you can easily change the settings. Like now I can change it back to separate views. If you want to split it, just click on that, and once the split view is open, you have the option to open a new tab here. Just click on this to open a new tab. The reason why you would want to do something like this is to allow multitasking. So now you have the split screen and you can do different tasks on both sides. If you want to disable it, click on the same icon right here, then choose separate views. Now we're back to a single view. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing so fancy about it. Honestly, I'm not a fan of vertical tabs, but for those who like vertical tabs, you're going to find this interesting actually. This is a good update from Chrome, and hopefully in the nearest future, we're going to have more updates and new features coming up. And of course, I'll be introducing you to those features as well. So that's going to be all for now. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like, and share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day. Peace out.